So today I'm going to show you how you can create the walkthrough in the Revit software. So here is the 3-story buildings which I have created already, but here you can see the walkthrough of that things of that building. So the things is that if you want to know about this buildings, that means what was the in first floor, what was the in second floor and in third floor, about the building, if you want to know, so then I will tell you each and everything. But first, in this time, you can see the walkthrough of the buildings, the whole process, what will be happen, sorry, what is the look like, the appearance of these buildings, and the outside, if you will see this type of buildings from the outside, so what type will be look like, so this type of buildings, if you want to know about the buildings each and everything, that means what was the size of the plot and what was the size of each and every element in this building. So I will tell you each and everything, but first you can see the appearance of that things, and it's a walkthrough which I have created in the Revit. So generally you have seen the walkthrough for the first floor of the building, but here it's a walkthrough for the 3-story building. So take it first, show these things, and I will tell each and everything about the building in last. So you can see these things. Yeah guys, so this is a front side of this building. You can see first around these buildings, and after some times I will enter in the building. So this is the outside of the buildings. It is surrounding of the buildings, and here is the small tree which is for the making good appearance of this environment of this building. So this is a road. You can see this type of road is made because it's a requirement of the client, that why it has been created. So you can see, and it quite slow, but what can do, maybe laptop configuration has low, that's why this type of things is going on. But you can see all the things after some it's a quite the speed is quite slow. I make slow because you can see each and everything about this building, that's why I made this thing. I make the speed is very slow. So take it and see it what happened, and after that I will if the time will be less, then I will tell you about the project also. Yeah guys, this is a back side of this building. I will tell you in the middles if you are uncomfortable to understand the things, so I will tell where you are not clearly visible the things. If you are not understandable, then I will tell you in middle, but till now you can see. Yeah guys, this is the front side of this building. Here is the ramp. Here is the ramp, you can see, of 3 feet, and after ramp this is a basement which you can park your vehicles. Here this is a basement for the parking, for the use of parking purpose. This is a staircase for the going up to the first floor. It will be clear from this view, the staircase you can see. Yeah, this is visible. Okay, you can see here the staircase, for the for going to upstairs to first floor. And this is a passage used for the balcony purpose. So you can see here. Yeah, and this is a main door for enter in the first floor. Here is a passage of 4 feet, you can see, and this is a second passage. So there is a front doors, so you can go outside from the buildings, and you can come again in the balcony. Yeah, this in this balcony. So it is a first floor passage. So I will and the second thing is that, oh sorry, here you can see, and again we will enter in first floor also, because there are a lot of room and different things has been created. So each and everything we will see. This is a passage, this is a door also. Yeah, you can see. Hi guys, so you can see this is the side view of this building, and now we will enter in the second floor. So the second floor is made for the family living purpose, and earlier which you saw this first floor, which is for the hospital purpose. So it's a requirement of the client, that's why I made. But you can see this is a full view of this buildings, of 3-story buildings. Here is a basement, and here is the hospital, there is the family living purpose. So now we are going to enter in the second floor. So you can see this is a front side of the second floor, you can see, and this is also the balcony purpose, used for the purpose. So you can see here, this is a balcony of the second floor. And now we will back again, and it's a front side. Yeah, I guess, and you can see now. Now we are going to enter in the second floor. Yeah, this is the front side of the second floors. Yeah, this is the whole passage. This is the dining room, you can see. Here is a staircase. Yeah, it's not speed is quite fast now, that's why these things is not clear visible. But yeah, this walkthrough is created in the Revit, so we can't do anything. Yeah, guys, you can see this type this is, you can see it's not a clear in this walkthrough, but yeah, it look like that means it is separated from the building, but it's not like this, so here